Hey, Healthy Habitat family. Ever wondered how nature provides us with delicious solutions for better health? The human body is an intricate system, and the kidneys play a pivotal role in filtering out waste. What if I told you that certain fruits, when included in your diet, can supercharge your kidneys and aid in their detox? Yep, and you won't believe what fruit number 7 is. A real game changer that many of us have right in our kitchens but often overlook. So, if you want to take a delicious approach to kidney health, stick around as we dive deep into 8 fruits that will cleanse your kidney fast. 1. Cranberries. Cranberries, small, tart, and vibrant red, have been celebrated for their medicinal properties for centuries. Beyond their ability to prevent urinary tract infections, they also support overall kidney function. Their proanthocyanidins content prevents harmful bacteria from adhering to the walls of the urinary tract, making them an excellent preventive measure against infections. Additionally, studies have shown that cranberries can help reduce the calcium phosphate levels, which can contribute to kidney stone formation. It's always a good practice to opt for natural cranberry juice over the sugary versions to reap the maximum benefits. 2. Blueberries. These tiny, deep blue fruits are bursting with nutrients and antioxidants. Renowned for their high levels of anthocyanins, blueberries can combat oxidative stress, one of the contributors to kidney disease. Furthermore, they have been shown to have nephroprotective properties, meaning they can protect against kidney damage. Additionally, they promote healthy blood pressure levels, vital for kidney health. Incorporating fresh or frozen blueberries in your daily diet can be a delicious way to bolster kidney health. 3. Apples. Apples, one of the world's most popular fruits, offer numerous health benefits. Rich in pectin, a soluble fiber, apples assist in lowering blood sugar and cholesterol levels, both of which are crucial for kidney health. The anti-inflammatory agents in apples help in reducing inflammation often associated with kidney problems. Furthermore, apples help in alkalizing the body, thereby supporting healthy kidney function and reducing the risk of kidney stone formation. 4. Cherries. Cherries are nature's candy, sweet and packed with essential nutrients. They are especially beneficial for individuals with high uric acid levels, as they assist in its reduction. High uric acid is a common cause of a type of kidney stone and gout. The antioxidants in cherries, especially anthocyanins, play a role in kidney protection, making them a delightful and beneficial addition to one's diet. 5. Pomegranates. Pomegranates, with their jewel-like seeds, are not just a treat for the eyes but also for the kidneys. They have potent antioxidants which shield the kidneys from oxidative damage and inflammation. Moreover, pomegranates have astringent properties which might assist in treating kidney stones. Regularly consuming pomegranate juice can be beneficial, but it's essential to ensure it's free from added sugars and other additives. Hey there, before we unveil fruit number 6, just a quick heads up. We've listed the bestseller recommended supplements like vitamins, fish oil, and multivitamins in the description box below. If you're considering adding supplements to your diet, check them out. 6. Grapes. Beyond being a delicious snack, grapes, especially the dark-colored varieties, offer a plethora of benefits for kidney health. Rich in resveratrol, a type of flavonoid, grapes have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These qualities ensure that the kidneys are protected from potential harm and work efficiently. Grapes also enhance blood flow, ensuring the toxins are effectively filtered out from the body. 7. Watermelon. The refreshing watermelon. Watermelons, with their high water content, act as a natural diuretic. This helps increase urine production, aiding in flushing out waste and toxins from the body. Rich in potassium, watermelons help balance the acid levels in urine, reducing the risk of stone formation in kidneys. Moreover, their lycopene content offers antioxidant benefits, providing an additional layer of protection for the kidneys. 8. Lemons. Lemons, with their tangy flavor, have been a staple in traditional medicine. Regular consumption of lemon, especially in the form of lemon water, can prevent the crystallization of minerals in the kidneys, reducing the risk of stone formation. The citric acid in lemons aids in breaking down and preventing calcium kidney stones. Furthermore, lemons offer vitamin C, which provides antioxidative benefits, ensuring the kidneys remain healthy. And there you have it, 8 fabulous fruits that are not only delicious, but also serve as nature's detox for your kidneys. Remember, a balanced diet and hydration are crucial for your health. If you found this information useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Healthy Habitat for more health insights. Oh, and don't forget to check the description for the recommended supplements. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.